Main going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Can we get a clean start here? Looks pretty dang good. All right, drivers, 6-minute D-main underway here. Oh, Rob Schaefer tries to go for the triple, and he'll tag the back of the car in front of him. And, yeah, interesting decision. Yeah, looks fun from here. All right, so now Trevor going to be leading the way from 6th on the grid. GODULA in the 2 spot still. Mulligan up to 3rd. Calcagno 4, Corrick 5. Brian down to 6 after getting RKO'd out of the sky. And Ingram 7 and Schaefer 8. Okay, 2 minutes into this one, Trevor still leading. Now Mulligan up to the 2 spot. GODULA looking back to the inside. Can't quite get there. Mulligan hanging on to that 2 still. GODULA 3. Bush up to 4, charging through. Then Corrick, Calcagno, Ingram, and Schaefer. Caution in between the doubles. Corrick somehow ended up upside down between them. Cars are coming. Watch your back. Watch your back. All clear. All clear. .330 down, 2:30 to go, so past halfway now. Trevor still leading. About 3.5 seconds up on Mulligan and GODULA. Those two still battling. Mulligan's been hanging on to it, but GODULA unrelenting. Bush up to the 4 spot, starting to lose the body though. And Corrick right behind him in 5, keeping pressure on him. Corrick trying to look for an inside move on Bush. Oh, nicely done. Good setup there from Ezra. Up into the 4 spot. GODULA to the 2 now. 2, 3, 4, and 5 across the line with 1:20 to go. Ezra in a sandwich right now all over the back of Mulligan, but still has to defend from Bush. Trevor using this opportunity to check out a little bit. He's kind of got this one in the bag now, but this battle for the second bump spot ought to be intense to the end here. It's just over a minute to go. Jack looking to the inside of Ed. He gets it done. Ezra follows through. I didn't even know there was room for him there. He can't hold the spot, but at least he fit. GODULA going to get it wrong in the back double. Ezra going over the top of Mulligan. Ezra to the 2 spot. Trevor just wrecked ahead of him, and he's going to lose all of his lead. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through the S turn. OLBERDING, Korek, Bush, GODULA, and Mulligan coming down the stairs right now. 40 seconds left to go. This is going to be their final lap. They won't get there in time for another. Trevor, Ezra, Brian, Ed, and Jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over the front side double. Schaefer and Ingram having a little battle for 6 and 7. But we're going to go back to this lead battle here. Starting to spread out, just about 20 feet between all of them. Now Brian's body's really sticking up. Oh, Ezra gets it wrong on the back doubles. Oh, no, he's broke. The hub just snapped off. And drivers, that's the tone racing the line. Trevor in the lead, but he just wrecked off the step off. Bush, OLBERDING, GODULA. Bush gets spun around. Oh my, it's going to be chaos to the line. And GODULA's going to get it by a 10th. Trevor and Ed going to move on. That was chaotic there coming down the stairs. 4 into 1 doesn't quite fit.